Hi, can I show you something really cool? In this tin is liquid plastic. If you take out the tube and you squeeze the tube on this tin, you can make instant liquid plastic in 4 seconds. This is a honey-like substance. There's no solvents in it. Only you determine the cure time. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's instantly hard plastic. My name's Rob, and my business partner, Dr. Tom Offerman in Germany, invented Bondic. All the as seen on TV industry who, in spite of our patents, basically knocked everything off. And instead of making the lawyers' boats a lot bigger, we decided not to be the 38th or 39th person on the lawsuit case. And what we've done is, to distinguish ourselves from everybody that's copied us, I took the beginning of what Dr. Tom and I were working on and finished it off. This is the Bondic Evo, and the difference is that now the tube points in the right direction and you don't have to flip it. So when it gets low on fluid, there's no waiting for the fluid to come back. Also, the LED is exactly in the same spot right by the tip, so you can drop and you can cure, and you can drop and you can cure right away. Now, it's easier than ever before to change the batteries, and you can pick them up at any dollar store. Bondic isn't just for makers, it's for everybody. It's for professionals, it's for hobbyists, it's for moms, dads, kids. If you've got something very expensive, it's made of plastic, there's really no better way to repair it. We've been hard at work, and we thought this is the best time to launch Bondic Pro. With your help, we can determine which variations are best to take to retail. Thanks for taking the time, and we appreciate your support.